Welcome folks to another episode of The Crazy Chef. Today, because the weather is becoming real nice in the Bay Area, sunny days, we're going to make some barbecue ribs. And we're going to make them our style. Can you believe we're going to make barbecue ribs without a barbecue grill? Now, you'll see how we're going to do this. For you folks that live in apartments and can't use a barbecue on your balcony, this is a great way to have barbecue ribs. So here we go. The ingredients are real simple. Salt, pepper, and granulated garlic that we use on everything, folks. We're going to use a barbecue sauce, Memphis Sweet. You can get a barbecue sauce that even has smoke in it. Talk about smoking. Anyway, let me move on here. Barbecue sauce, whatever flavors you like. You like it hot, get a hot barbecue sauce. This is just a regular Memphis Sweet. And our superstar of the moment, pork ribs. Now remember, pork ribs, there's two different types. These are back ribs. If you notice, this is from the spine. This is the first type of rib. And then you have the bottom part that has a lot of cartilage and fat. These are the best ones to use. Even for a few dollars extra, you got to have good ingredients to get a good outcome. So this is the best one to buy, folks. Even if you spend, like I said, a couple dollars extra. So those are our ingredients. What we're going to do to prep this now, my lovely assistant, he's going to cut them in smaller sections. We're going to put those into a pot or a pan. This is the one we're going to use. And we're going to put them in the oven, 350. And we'll tell you in a little bit for how long. So let's put all those in the pot. How she places them. See how she places them? Bottom down. She's going to place all those into this pot. Now we're going to put some seasoning. Let's do some seasoning here. Assistant's going to start with granulated garlic. Sprinkle some of that on the ribs. I like that stuff. That's good for you. Some salt, very little salt. We don't need a lot of salt. In all my cooking, I use very little salt. Sometimes I don't even use it at all. Black pepper is always good for the health. No problem with black pepper. And we got to do some type of a juice, and we need some aluminum foil to cover this off. Right now we have our spices in there. Granulated garlic, a little salt, a little pepper. You can put some water in there or some olive oil or just basic oil to get it going. We like to use a white wine on this here. And in this case we're going to use a Chardonnay. And she's going to show you, my sister's going to show you how to sprinkle it. But like I said, you don't need wine. We like to use wine. And now, just cover that with aluminum foil and put it in the oven at 350. And we'll come back in a little bit and see what we have and for how long we need to cook these ribs. Okay, folks, look at that. Our ribs have been in the oven, 350 for 1 hour. Now my favorite assistant is going to do the barbecue sauce. Now watch how she does this. Paintbrush will work fine. You want to brush that barbecue sauce, whatever you chose. Look at the way she does that. It's beautiful. I'm already smelling the barbecue, and we saved the time on the cleanup, the lighting, the firing, the cleaning. Oh man, this is fantastic. I'm starting to smell the barbecue. She's going to turn them over. Oh man, it looks like they're ready to fall off the bone. Fantastic. Look at that. Now we're going to do the barbecue sauce on the other side. And we're going to put them back in the oven approximately 10 minutes at the 325 just to finish them off. Beautiful. I think her name is Botticelli. Michelangelo? I don't know. She's a painter if I ever saw. Look at that. Can you paint like that? That's art. Now, come on, folks. We need all the attention we can get. We need subscribers. Please, subscribe. I'm begging you, please. We need subscribers here, folks. Beautiful. No foil now. Just put it back in the oven. 10 minutes to finish it, and we're ready to go. Okay, folks, here we go. Look at these ribs. They smell delicious. Let me put a set on a plate. My assistants will remove them. We're going to slice this right down here. Now, you know, a lot of my friends, they say, oh, you got to marinate your meat. Why in the hell would you want to marinate your meat when the barbecue sauce is going to kill all those flavors? This is natural, folks. Now, let me get this. Boom. Looks awfully hot. I'm going to go for it, though. Licking finger good. And you know what, folks? Spot on. Enjoy. This is barbecue flavor without all the inconvenience. And, excuse me, I'm still chewing on that. That was a delicious rib. Without all the inconvenience of lighting, cleaning, taking out, bringing in. You got barbecue ribs that... Let me have another bite. Enjoy, folks.